السلام عليكم. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in an authentic hadith, Sahih Muslim, فَلْيَقُلْ خَيْرًا أَوْ لِيَصْمُتْ. Speak good or remain silent. If you have nothing good to say, then remain silent, as you can use that silence to think before you speak. If you remain silent, you can potentially save yourself from falling into a sin. When we say something that has no benefit in it, it could potentially be something that is untrue or detrimental. When Muslims talk, we should be truthful, and our words should result in good for others. And an important reminder, everything we say and everything we do is recorded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In those unguarded moments when we become angry or when we become frustrated or stressed, we have that anger in ourselves to release vile and indecent words which will cause harm to others. And it's very important we control that and be mindful of what we're saying. If a person wants to change the way they speak, then they must restrain from any unpleasant words or any words that will cause harm to a person. May Allah give us the ability to act upon what's been said. Ameen. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagul mubin. Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakumullah khair to Mustafa for those very important words of advice. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, speak good or remain silent. Very important statement of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Quran instructs Muslims to speak in the following manners. Speak kindly. قولوا للناس حسنا. Speak truthfully. الصابرين والصادقين والقانتين والمنفقين والمستغفرين بالأسحار. Speak justly. وإذا قلتم فاعدلوا. Speak graciously. وقل لهما قولا كريما. Speak fairly. فقل لهم قولا ميسورا. Speak politely. قل لعبادي يقول التي هي أحسن. Speak no lie. اجتنبوا قول الزور. Speak gently. فقولا له قولا لينا. Speak not in vain. والذين هم عن اللغو معرضون. Speak straight. اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا. So all of these statements are in the Quran and all point towards speaking in a good manner. So it's a very important lesson. In another verse of the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَمَثَلُ كَلِمَةٍ طَيِّبَةٍ كَشَجَرَةٍ طَيِّبَةٍ أَصْلُهَا ثَابِتٌ وَفَرْعُهَا فِي السَّمَاءِ. The example of a good word is like a good tree, whose root is firmly fixed and its branch is high in the sky. وَمَثَلُ كَلِمَةٍ خَبِيثَةٍ كَشَجَرَةٍ خَبِيثَةٍ اجْتُثَّتْ مِنْ فَوْقِ الْأَرْضِ مَا لَهَا مِنْ قَرَارٍ. The example of a bad word is like a bad tree, uprooted from the surface of the earth, having no stability. Who is the best Muslim? He is the one from whose tongue and hands another Muslim is safe. It's so important that we think about this, that day in, day out, do we think about how much harm we are causing to another person just by our language, just by how we speak to them. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to take heed from these words of advice.